Yeah, no, because I was a goat person for years till I got the operation. Now I no hooves. I just make.
Oh, hey, folks.
I'm here today. I got the new Milwaukee M18 battery-powered chainsaw. We're gonna see how this thing works. I got two 12-amp batteries fully charged. Before I put the battery in, give it a little bar and chain oil.
You absolutely must fill with bar and chain oil before use. Don't mess around.
Looks pretty full to me.
When filled, hold the trigger for 30 seconds before cutting. You know, let it lubricate the blade.
It sounds pretty cute, but I'm sure this thing could still cut me into pieces, so I'm gonna be really careful. Take down this here tree unit. I think we're about ready to cut, so
Let's start the time lapse.
So that was going really well until
I cut my entire foot off. So
I have to stop for a little bit. I guess I'm gonna go call my mom. So my conclusion from using this today is that
this thing is an absolute beast.
I took down that whole tree in like 20 minutes, maybe less. And I only used 1 bar of battery. It kept up with the speed that I like to wield chainsaws at, which is absolutely savage. I'm really impressed. I'm happy I bought this, and I would highly recommend it to any of you people out there looking to get a new electric chainsaw, battery powered. The best thing was I didn't pass out from the fumes like I usually do using a gas chainsaw.
Hell yeah.
Still got some battery life left, and this leftover part of the tree, I guess I'm gonna give some chainsaw art a try. I've only done this once before. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it could be a good opportunity for those of you watching to see me take another limb off. A tree, a limb. Tree limb.
So it was going great, like really well.
And then I cut my entire hand off.
But it's okay. I still have this one. So we're gonna be all right. I'm gonna get to the ER in a little bit and, you know, take it from there.
So all jokes aside, I think that went pretty good. Like I said, haven't really done this, and the saw kept up once I started. Good times with wood. Check it out. All you people out there doing chainsaw art on the regular, 'cause that is no joke. And as you can see, got a long ways to go. But hey, that was fun. Beautiful day.